Welcome to Cine Tech, where we give you the research-backed truth on the latest gear. Today, we're reviewing the OM System Tough TG-7 Adventure Camera Bundle, a compact, rugged camera designed for your toughest explorations. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how this camera performs where it matters most, in the field. The TG-7 is purpose-built for underwater adventures, with specialized modes that optimize color and exposure, making it easy to capture. Its rugged design means it's shockproof, waterproof, and freeze-proof, making it an incredibly resilient companion for any challenging travel or macro and microscope-style modes allow for surprisingly detailed close-up shots, capturing intricate textures and subjects that most compact cameras would. However, the smaller sensor size inherently limits its performance in low-light situations, meaning you might find noise or less detail. Overall, the TG-7 excels in its intended adventure scenarios, providing reliable performance where many cameras would. Next, let's consider the value proposition of this adventure-ready camera bundle. The bundle offers a robust set of features, including its extreme durability and specialty modes, which justify the cost for. OM System maintains a strong reputation for producing durable and reliable gear, which adds a layer of confidence and perceived. Compared to other rugged cameras, the TG-7 holds its own, but against standard compacts or entry-level mirrorless cameras, its value. The TG-7 frequently sees attractive discounts, especially during sales events, which significantly enhances its overall appeal and makes it a. When you consider its unique rugged capabilities, the TG-7 offers decent value, especially for niche users. Finally, let's explore any potential risks or common complaints buyers should be aware of. The camera's exceptional build quality means it's designed to withstand significant impacts and environmental challenges, offering solid peace of mind. Its overall reliability is good for its niche, but some users might find the small sensor limits image quality in. OM System generally provides decent customer support and a standard warranty, offering a reasonable safety net should you encounter any. It's crucial to carefully verify all included bundle items upon arrival to ensure you've received everything advertised, as discrepancies can. While the rugged design inspires confidence, proper maintenance, especially for its underwater capabilities, is crucial too. The OM System Tough TG-7 bundle stands out as an excellent choice for adventure photographers, travelers, and field users. Its rugged build and specialized modes make it perfect for demanding environments where other cameras wouldn't survive. However, for those prioritizing high-end image quality or low-light performance, a mirrorless camera remains a better option.